Hello, what's up guys? It's Gary here and you're watching G4 Gadget. Today we have our hands on something really special, which is this one. A fake Apple Watch Ultra. I haven't opened it yet, so let's unbox this fake Apple Watch Ultra together. Let's go. Okay, so we have this fake Apple Watch Ultra called i8 Ultra earphones. I don't know whether they have it. Big 2.0 infinite display. Looks really like an Apple Watch, but the box isn't gonna fool anyone. So let's open it. Okay, sounds really cheap. So we open the box. Oh, they really do have a pair of fake AirPods. Okay, let's peel off this sticker on the AirPods first. Damn, really can't buy all this fake stuff. Fake AirPods. Sounds very cheap. Okay, now we have this, the strap for the Apple Watch Ultra. Fake one, mind you. Okay. All the parts you need for a watch. And you get a charger for the watch and also a cable. Like it's a lightning cable for the fake AirPods. And an instruction booklet, all in Chinese. Oh, they have English too. Smart bracelet. Okay, nice. Oh, this is the Apple Watch Ultra, i8 Ultra. Peel it off. They have a screen protector that is correct. Is it? Yeah. Okay, it looks really fake. Okay, let's try and turn it on. Okay, now I've successfully charged this fake Apple Watch and I've gone into the UI UX those. But first, let's take a look at the design, which looks really like a real Apple Watch Ultra, but the size and the screen doesn't look alike at all. So nobody's gonna get fooled by this as a real Apple Watch. So we are getting two straps here, one which I'm wearing and this one a more sporty strap. And the AirPods, the fake AirPods, very flimsy one. I don't even want to try it, just put it here. Okay, so now let's take a look at this UI of the Apple Watch fake one. Yeah, so you get all the watch faces here. This one looks really like an Apple's one. And they have Chinese wording here. Yeah, this one is the rainbow. Yeah. And that's all about it. And you can swipe down to see notifications. Swipe up for all the settings. Okay, and you can press this to go back. You can turn to switch all the watch faces. The crown can be used. It's not just a deco. There's also a button here. I don't know if it's AOD or not, but it looks like an AOD. No, it doesn't light up all the time. And there's also a button here that goes into this training, all the sports mode. You have tennis, volleyball, football, running, all this. Okay, so you press the button here and you can see all the apps that's inside this fake Apple Watch. You can also turn the crown. Hey, no, you can't. Wait, what, you can? Wait a minute, what is this? Okay, you can turn the crown to see the size. You can adjust the size of the apps, but it will bounce back anyways. See the fitness, settings here, Siri. Are you serious? You have Siri, and you have Facebook? No, that's not Facebook. App Store. Oh, you can download an app and buy the watch. There's weather. Twitter. Are you? No, it's another message app. WhatsApp. Yeah, and that's about it. That's all the apps you have here in this fake Apple Watch. And that's about it. The unboxing of this Apple Watch Ultra, fake one. What's the conclusion? Don't get any fake products. If you want a smartwatch or smart band that's affordable and can record all your health data accurately, and the UI is actually good, get some from maybe Xiaomi, Huawei, Oppo, Realme, I don't know. They all have really good options and they won't cost you an arm or leg. And that's all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to G4 Gadget for latest tech news. See you guys next time. Bye!